Oh, thank the maker we're safe. That was the most running I've done since, well, the last trip I went on with you, young Jedi.
I told you this place is too dangerous for Diggles. Don't worry, buddy. You're safe now. You can live with me. We'll have so much fun together. You'll love the temple and my friends. And hey! Diggles, what's wrong? You want to go back outside? I've got a bad feeling about this. Let's get out of here!
We can't take off while that creature is attacking us. Why isn't Diggles trying to run away?
Diggles seems sad. Wait a minute. I think that might be Diggles' mom.
I think you're right. Some creatures do look different when they grow up. She must have been searching for her baby.
So you just wanted to get back to your family. And here I was trying to bring you back to Tanu.
I know you wanted to bring this creature home with you, but we have to do what's best for Diggles, even if that means approaching the huge unknown creature outside.
You're right, Ari. We're doing what's best for Diggles. Look, more babies. Those must be Diggle's siblings.
Wow, would you look at that? You just never know what surprises the galaxy is going to bring.
Who would cut down all these spires?
Wait, that loud guy back in Black Spire Outpost, wasn't he saying something about cutting him down?
Ozon? Maybe.
What do you hear, buddy?
Huh? Wait! They're cutting the spires!
We gotta stop them before they cut the next one. Stop! Stop cutting! Can't believe that worked.
Hey!
I think they want us to move.
Not happening. They need to leave these spires alone.
Let's follow those droids. If Ozon is behind this, they should lead us back to him.
It is Ozon. Those droids are his.
We need to talk to him. I'll call Master Dro too. Come on.
Huh? Hey! I see the platform!
Yay! The chiffons led us in the right direction!
Nubs is right. How are we gonna get across this crater and up to the landing platform?
It's too steep for us to climb down, and we'll never make it back before sunset if we go around. Huh?
Ah! Watch out!
Rick said some people ride chiffons. Maybe we can too.
Right. We could try riding them over the crater and up to the platform.
We can jump on those ones before they go in.
That should work.